Every morning, millions of us reach for that comforting cup of coffee. It's a ritual, a wake-up call, a small, often affordable luxury that kickstarts our day. For many, especially those watching their budget, stores like Dollar General offer a lifeline, providing everyday essentials, including that crucial instant coffee, at prices that don't break the bank. But what if that simple act of brewing your daily pick-me-up suddenly turned into a health nightmare? What if the very coffee you trust, the one you bought specifically to save a few dollars, contained something far more dangerous than just caffeine? I'm talking about glass. Sharp, invisible, potentially deadly glass shards lurking in your morning brew. This isn't a horror story, it's a stark reality unfolding across America right now. Across 48 states, an urgent recall has just been issued, shaking the foundations of consumer trust and highlighting a critical breach in food safety.
Dollar General recalling 3 lots of its 8-ounce Clover Valley Instant Coffee after the FDA says it could potentially contain fragments of glass. The affected product has Best By dates here of December 13th and 14th of 2026. The coffee was sold July 9th through the 21st at Dollar General stores in nearly all 50 states. The FDA says no illnesses or injuries have been reported, but customers who have this product should stop using it right away, contact the company for a full refund.
This isn't just about a bad taste or a minor inconvenience. It's about potential emergency room visits, sky-high medical bills, and a company scrambling to contain a crisis that could cost them millions. And if you shop at Dollar General, especially if you rely on their Clover Valley brand for your instant coffee, you need to pay very close attention. Your health and your wallet could depend on it. Welcome to Money Shack, where we break down the economic realities affecting your wallet and your well-being. Today, we're diving deep into a product recall that directly impacts millions of Americans and has significant financial implications, not just for the company involved, but for every consumer potentially affected. Let's get straight to the facts. Dollar General has announced a massive, nationwide recall of its Clover Valley Instant Coffee. Specifically, we're talking about the 8-ounce jars. The reason? A chilling report from a customer who discovered possible glass fragments inside the product. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has swiftly confirmed this recall, initiated after that horrifying discovery: undeniable glass contamination in a product meant for human consumption. This isn't a might-contain scenario. Glass was found.
New tonight, coffee is being recalled nationwide from Dollar General stores after reports of potential glass fragments in the grounds. According to the FDA, Dollar General has issued a voluntary recall of its Clover Valley Instant Coffee due to the potential presence of glass. The products were distributed and sold nationwide at Dollar General stores between July 9th and 21st. No illnesses or injuries have been reported, but according to the recall notice, ingested glass could cause damage to your teeth, cuts to the mouth or throat, and more. How the glass contamination happened is now under investigation.
Now, while thankfully no injuries have been reported so far, and we truly hope it stays that way, let's not sugarcoat the potential. Ingesting glass can lead to incredibly severe injuries. Imagine cuts to your mouth, your throat, your entire delicate digestive tract. It can cause excruciating tooth damage, deep lacerations, and even perforate your intestines, leading to life-threatening internal bleeding and infections. This is not a minor inconvenience. It is an extremely critical food safety concern that could land you in the hospital with an emergency surgery, leaving you with substantial, unexpected medical debt and lasting health consequences. The financial burden alone, from an ambulance ride to recovery, could be devastating for families already stretching every dollar. So, how do you know if your coffee is affected? This is crucial. The recall specifically involves 8-ounce jars of Clover Valley Instant Coffee with very specific identifiers. You need to check your jar for these details. Think of it like checking the expiration date on medicine. It's that important. First, look for the UPC, or Universal Product Code. It should be 870 6,940 1,004,069. Next, check the lot numbers. There are 3 specific ones to watch out for: L5163, L5164, and L5165. And finally, the Best By dates. These are either December 13, 2026, or December 14, 2026. Now, where do you find this information? It's printed clearly near the container's neck. Don't just glance at it. Take a moment, pick up your jar, and cross-reference these numbers. This could be the most important check you make all day. These specific products were sold exclusively at Dollar General stores between July 9 and July 21, 2025. So, if you bought instant coffee from Dollar General during that 2-week window, you absolutely must check your jar. The reach of this recall is staggering. It affects consumers in 48 states across the nation. That's every state except Alaska and Hawaii. Think about that for a second. Almost the entire continental U.S. is impacted. From Alabama to Wyoming, if you're a Dollar General shopper, this alert is for you. We'll flash a list of all affected states on screen for you to quickly check. This widespread distribution means millions of households could potentially have these contaminated jars in their pantries right now. So, what do you do if you find your coffee matches these details? The authorities are very clear: do not drink or serve the recalled coffee. It's not worth the risk. Your safety is paramount. Step 1. Dispose of the jar safely. Don't just toss it in the regular trash where someone else might find it. Make sure it's clearly unusable. Step 2. Contact Dollar General customer care for a full refund. And here's a crucial financial tip: you don't need your receipt. That's right. If you can provide the necessary product details, the UPC, lot number, and best buy date, Dollar General will process your refund, minimizing your financial loss for a defective product. You can reach them by phone at 1-888-309-9030. Their lines are open from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. CST daily. Or, if you prefer, you can email them at customercare@dollargeneral.com. Make sure you have those product identifiers handy when you call or email. This refund process is designed to be as straightforward as possible, minimizing the financial inconvenience to you, the consumer, for a product defect that is entirely out of your control. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture, the economic and corporate responsibility angle that Money Shack always brings you. When something like this happens, especially on such a wide scale, it's not just a customer service issue, it's a profound financial hit and a severe reputational crisis for the company involved. Dollar General, a brand built on affordability and accessibility, now faces a monumental challenge. The company has expressed deep concern, stating they are working closely with their suppliers to understand precisely how this contamination occurred. They're reviewing their entire manufacturing process, from the sourcing of the glass jars to the coffee processing and packaging, scrutinizing every single quality control procedure to prevent similar issues in the future. This isn't just a gesture of goodwill, it's an absolute necessity for their very survival and their bottom line. A recall of this magnitude incurs massive, multifaceted costs. There's the direct expense of issuing the recall itself, the complex logistics of pulling millions of potentially contaminated products from shelves across 48 states, the administrative burden of processing refunds for potentially millions of jars, and the immense, almost immeasurable damage to their brand trust. Consumer trust, remember, is a powerful currency in the marketplace, and it can be incredibly expensive and take years to earn back once it's lost. From a financial perspective, every single product recall is a direct, substantial hit to a company's profitability. It means lost sales, operational disruptions that ripple through their entire supply chain, and potentially crippling legal liabilities if injuries were to occur, leading to class action lawsuits. It also forces companies to invest more heavily in their quality control infrastructure, which, while ultimately beneficial for consumers, represents a significant, unbudgeted cost of doing business. This incident will undoubtedly trigger a thorough, costly audit of their entire supply chain, identifying weak points, implementing corrective actions, and potentially changing suppliers, all of which come with a hefty price tag. For investors, this kind of news can lead to dips in stock price and a loss of confidence, further impacting the company's financial health. The FDA, as the key regulatory body, is actively overseeing this recall process, acting as a crucial watchdog. Their comprehensive role is to ensure that all affected products are efficiently removed from circulation, that consumers are properly and widely informed, and that companies adhere to strict safety protocols.
Alerts are highly unusual. Netter says he's only issued 3 of them in the hundreds of cases he's worked on over the past 27 years. And Scott, the FDA is already responding to this, saying it's setting up a new internal review group to push for quicker action on recalls when needed.
Anna Werner, thanks.
They're also urging anyone who experiences injuries or even minor safety concerns related to this or any other product to report them through their MedWatch program. This is a critical feedback loop, a vital data collection point that helps protect public health, informs future regulatory actions, and can even trigger further investigations. This Dollar General recall isn't an isolated incident, but rather the latest chapter in a concerning trend. Food safety experts have noted that this is one of a string of recent recalls involving potential contamination from foreign objects. We've seen bakery cookies pulled from shelves due to wood splinters, packaged snacks recalled for containing plastic pieces, and ready-to-eat meals removed for potential metal contamination. These are not minor issues, they represent serious threats to consumer health and safety. While these recalls are undoubtedly inconvenient, alarming, and can cause significant public anxiety, food safety experts offer a crucial, albeit cautious, perspective. They are also, paradoxically, a sign that the monitoring systems designed to protect public health are, in fact, working. It means that the checks and balances, the regulatory oversight, the internal quality controls, and even vigilant customers like the one who reported this glass contamination are catching these issues before they cause widespread, catastrophic harm. However, it also highlights the persistent and growing challenges in complex global supply chains and manufacturing processes, where even seemingly small errors or oversights can have massive, widespread, and potentially deadly consequences. The economic cost of these systemic failures, both for companies and for the healthcare system, is substantial and ongoing. For consumers, this recurring trend means a heightened and continuous need for vigilance. Never simply assume a product is safe without a quick check, especially if you hear about a recall. Your diligence is your first line of defense. So, what's the ultimate takeaway for you, our Money Shack viewer? Beyond immediately checking your coffee jar, it's about transforming into an informed, empowered, and proactive consumer. Every dollar you spend, every product you bring into your home comes with an implied trust, a trust that it is safe, effective, and free from hidden dangers. When that trust is broken, it's not just a health issue, it's a significant financial one that can unexpectedly derail your budget. Think about the tangible and intangible costs. The time you might spend dealing with a refund, the inconvenience of having to replace a staple item, or worse, the astronomical medical costs if you or a loved one were to accidentally ingest glass. These are hidden costs, unexpected expenses that can quickly eat into your carefully planned budget, creating financial stress where none existed. By staying informed about recalls, by taking a few moments to verify product details, you're not just protecting your physical health, you are fundamentally protecting your financial stability and peace of mind. It's a form of proactive financial defense against unforeseen hazards. This incident serves as a stark, urgent reminder that even the most everyday, seemingly affordable products can carry unexpected and severe risks. Always take a moment to verify product details, especially for items you consume regularly. If something feels off, if you see a news alert, or if you hear about a recall, act swiftly and decisively. Your health, your safety, and your wallet will undeniably thank you for it. Don't let complacency cost you. In summary, check your Dollar General Clover Valley Instant Coffee jars right now. Look for UPC 876,941,004,069, lot numbers L5163, L5164, or L5165, and best by dates December 13 or 14, 2026. If it matches, dispose of it safely and contact Dollar General for your full refund, no receipt needed. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and always put your health and financial well-being first. Don't let a simple cup of coffee turn into a costly mistake. If this video helped you or someone you know, please share it. Hit that like button, subscribe to Money Shack for more critical financial insights and consumer alerts, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update that could protect your money and your life. We'll see you next time.